Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing Ocean View Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Boasting ocean views, this rocky harbor hotel features a restaurant and bar. Free Wi-Fi is provided in all guest rooms. Deer Lake Regional Airport is 1 hour away. A flat-screen cable TV and an iPod docking station feature in each room at Ocean View Hotel. Coffee-making facilities are included. A desk is provided. Select rooms offer harbor views. Ocean's dining room features a menu including fresh local lobster and mussels. The Anchor Pub features a waterfront deck. Live entertainment can be enjoyed during the summer months. A 24-hour reception and bike rental are available at Hotel Ocean View. A cash machine is located on site. Fax and photocopying services are available. Gros Morne National Park is 0.6 miles away. Lobster Cove Head Lighthouse is 5 minutes drive from property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.